If you've ever been stuck outside a friend's house because of 3-inch step, or struggled to load your wheelchair into your own vehicle, or felt that frustration when a simple door threshold becomes an obstacle, you know exactly why you're here. Independence shouldn't require asking for help every single time you want to leave the house. Today, I'm cutting through the marketing noise to show you the 6 best wheelchair ramps available right now, covering everything from tiny 1-inch door lips to full 3-foot porch stairs. Real solutions, real specs, real user experiences. All product links are in the description below. Let's dive in. Let's start with the Foch Nuo portable wheelchair ramp, which comes in 9 different size options from 2 feet all the way up to 12 feet, so you can order exactly the length you need. Depending on which size you choose, these handle rise heights from 2 inches with the shortest option up to 36 inches with the longest. This suitcase-style folding ramp with built-in carry handle spans 30 inches wide and supports 800 pounds, handling most wheelchairs and scooters. The 2-foot version weighs 13 pounds, with each larger size weighing proportionally more. The textured anti-skid surface includes reflective warning strips and raised edges for nighttime safety. Some users find it heavier than expected for frequent travel, and the surface grip can vary in wet conditions, plus you might notice flex near the weight limit. But with options spanning such a wide range of heights and a budget-friendly price, this ramp shines for occasional use at friends' houses or managing various home steps without overspending. Next up is the Easy Access Transitions Modular Entry Ramp, designed specifically for small threshold rises between 1 and 6 inches. This modular aluminum system lets you purchase the exact sections you need to build your custom solution. The adjustable top plate eliminates that jarring bump at thresholds. Supporting 700 pounds with a lifetime warranty, the 6-inch rise kit weighs just 20 pounds. Assembly requires patience and often 2 people, and there are no handrails, so it's best for confident users. Unlike portable ramps you carry around, this is designed for semi-permanent installation. Picture a rental apartment with different threshold heights at various doors. You order the exact modular pieces for each location and create smooth transitions that feel invisible. Perfect for homeowners or renters dealing with frustrating small barriers that don't need long ramps but still create daily obstacles. Now let's look at the Coltool adjustable wheelchair ramp, available in options from 4 to 7 feet. These telescoping models handle rises from 9 inches with the shorter versions up to 16.5 inches with the longest. Instead of one platform, you get 2 independent telescoping rails that you position under each wheel, measuring 7.4 inches wide each. Weights range from just over 11 pounds for the 4-foot model up to under 20 pounds for the 7-footer. This design dramatically reduces packed size, and the included storage bag makes whichever length you choose travel-friendly. Supporting 600 pounds, it works for most manual chairs and lighter scooters. The trade-off is alignment. Those independent rails need careful positioning, matching your wheelchair's wheel spacing, tricky for limited upper body control or solo travelers. There's no continuous deck, so it feels less substantial and requires confident wheel control. But for travelers prioritizing packability and needing a lightweight option for small to medium rises, this delivers impressive versatility at an affordable price. Coming in at number 4 is the Easy Access Suitcase Single-Fold Ramp, available in 7 length options from 2 to 8 feet. Every size supports 800 pounds and spans 30 inches wide, handling rises from around 4 inches with the shortest models up to 16 inches with the longest. The 4-foot version manages up to 8 inches, while the 6-footer accommodates up to 12 inches. Weights range from just 11 pounds for the 2-foot model up to 47 pounds for the 8-footer. The self-adjusting bottom transition plates automatically pivot matching ground slope, whether level pavement or uneven surfaces. Ergonomic handles ease transport, and the extruded tread grips in wet conditions. Picture loading your power chair into your van after grocery shopping in the rain. Whichever length you've purchased unfolds smoothly, those plates automatically compensate for the parking lot's incline, and the slip-resistant surface keeps you stable. The main consideration is weight on the longer options. That 47-pound 8-footer challenges solo handling, though many manage it with practice. For anyone needing dependable vehicle loading or multi-step porches, this justifies its weight with exceptional build quality and those self-adjusting plates that genuinely make a difference. Next on our list is the VNN Portable Wheelchair Ramp, which comes in options from 2 feet up to 10 feet. The rise heights these handle vary by length. Shorter models cover rises starting around 4 inches, while the longest options manage up to 24 inches. The 4-foot version handles 4 to 12 inches, the 6-footer manages 6 to 18 inches, and the 8-foot model tackles 8 to 24 inches. Made from aluminum with 600-pound capacity and 30-inch width, every length features transition boards on both ends, raised baffles keeping wheels centered, and reflective warning strips improving visibility during nighttime use. The upgraded handle aids transport, and an optional screw secures it to wooden platforms. Double non-skid surface with anti-slip pads and stainless steel hinges deliver reliable traction. What sets this apart is the focus on visibility and edge protection, valuable for users navigating in low-light conditions. While 600 pounds suits most manual chairs and lighter scooters, heavy power chair users might compare against 800-pound options, though VNN's safety features could still win if nighttime visibility matters for your situation. Finally, the Rudaman rubber threshold ramp is available for rises between 1 and 3 inches, with different models matching specific step heights. This solid rubber construction supports 2,200 pounds, roughly triple what aluminum ramps handle. This tackles the heaviest power chairs and even riding mowers that would destroy lighter ramps. Spanning 42.9 inches wide, it accommodates wheelchairs, walkers, and wider mobility devices with room to spare. The non-slip groove pattern grips concrete and wooden surfaces without special mounting. Users mention how this transformed jarring threshold impacts into smooth transitions. You won't fold this for travel since it's designed for permanent placement, and new units carry rubber smell initially that fades outdoors, but for stubborn door thresholds or shallow steps needing bomb-proof stability, this delivers long-term reliability aluminum can't match. The incredible capacity future-proofs equipment upgrades. So here's the bottom line. Budget-conscious buyers should grab the Foch Nuo with options from 2 to 12 feet, handling rises up to 36 inches for solid value. Those tackling small 1 to 6 inch doorway rises need the Easy Access Transitions modular system. Travelers prioritizing packability should choose from Coltool's 4 to 7 foot options, all under 20 pounds. The Easy Access Suitcase Singlefold offers sizes from 2 to 8 feet with 800-pound capacity for vehicle loading and home steps. Safety-conscious users should pick from VNN's 2 to 10 foot range for comprehensive reflective strips. And for permanent threshold solutions up to 3 inches, select the Rudaman rubber model. Match your specific rise height, device weight, and usage conditions to the right ramp, and you'll have reliable accessibility for years. All product links are in the description, and subscribe for more accessibility product reviews.